You feeling a bit sharp there, or?
No, I can't feel anything.
Good.
Oh, I can feel that.
Feeling a little bit there?
Yeah.
Pressure or pain?
Pain. No.
Okay.
Yeah. I can feel it. It's cutting.
We'll put a bit more life in there. Sore up there?
No. No. Yeah, I can
Or
feel
just a
that.
bit sore there. Okay. Maybe we've just been a little bit quick getting here. Just keep your arm. No, not that arm. The other arm. Just up. Just because this is